Hello, today we're going to have a look at how we can use light and shadows in our artwork. I'm going to show you how you can make a three-dimensional maquette, a small sculpture, just out of very simple materials which will cast shadows. All you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pencil, some scissors, some sellotape and some different light sources like a torch. Okay, here we go. So there you are. The possibilities are endless. You can change the shadows by where you place the light source. You can try moving the torch closer and further away. You'll have seen that I had a light source within the tube at one point. Now it was just a little battery operated light that obviously never put naked flames near the paper because it will burn, and you've got to be careful. An important thing about this type of artwork is documenting it. So of course you'll have the piece of art, but it is only made out of paper, so it's quite fragile. So take photographs of the actual object, take photographs of the shadows that are formed when you play around with light sources as well, and there's your evidence for the artwork that you've produced. Okay. The shapes I cut out of the paper were all quite organic, lots of curved edges, but they don't have to be. They could be any shapes you like. It could be really angular, you could have sharp corners on your cutouts if you want to. Again, just experiment and see what you can come up with. So I managed to cast shadows by first of all keeping the paper flat, and then I turned it into a cylinder, so I had a three-dimensional object to work with. The good thing about that is it's self-supporting, it'll stand up so you don't have to hang it from anything, and it adds even more visual interest because it's a three-dimensional object. Okay, it doesn't have to be a cylinder. Why don't you experiment with other shapes that you could produce? Have a go and see how you get on. See you soon. Bye.